Alright, so I thought that I would do a toolbox tour. This is my toolbox. It's a Matco 6 Series, and it is a bit of a mess right now. Just got some random stuff on top, some ATF. There's a small toolbox there that I use for papers and whatnot. I am a GM technician. I am going to be 4th level in the ASEP, and we'll be done soon. Open up the top drawer here. It's all snap-on and Matco. Crossing sockets. Snap-on. My impact gun is the Matco. A Matco tire inflator. This is my work light. It's just a Titan. It's the same as the Matco light. Really bright. Lots of snap-on socket or ratchets. My plier drawer, vice grips, all my pliers, a little couple electrical things. I need a new multimeter. That one's a piece of junk. Screwdriver drawer, missing that one and that second one over there, both flatheads. I got those on order. Snap-on stuff again. Wrench drawer, snap-on metrics. The other wrenches are gear wrench and Mastercraft. My soldering tools, which should be an electrical, but whatever. And that's that. Got some paperwork, and that's about it. There's my Matco 6S. Thanks for watching. This is another video by Tim Pens. See you guys.